Hello folks, and welcome back to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. Well folks, we've got started on this project that we've been showing you here. Last time we showed you the inside of this home that we're renovating here. This is a single wide mobile home, and a video before that we showed you the outside. So if you missed those, go back and have a look. It's the late winter here in Western Canada. We had a cold night last night. It was minus 19 Celsius. So we're happy to be working inside here. So of course, any renovation begins with a demolition. So that's what we've been doing here for the last couple days. And we're just going to show you where we're at here. So this is the front entrance. And if you remember from the previous video, we had some laminate flooring in here. We've lifted up that laminate flooring, and this is what we found underneath. So this is the original linoleum from as it came from the factory. This one was a 1992 single wide. You can see where we've removed the doors and jambs. We've taken everything right down to the rough openings. And so we eventually will be putting in new doors and trim and jambs and everything. Over here we have a little front door closet. And back to right here, this is actually the front door, the main door coming into the home. So this door is a temporary door we put on here. The door that was on here was smashed. Windows were smashed in it. There was glass in it. People had broken in here a couple of times, and so it was a real mess. So we just pulled a door off that we had and put it on there temporarily. Eventually we'll be putting a new door on there. So as I told you in previous videos, the people that lived here before were quite the characters. Actually pretty funny people. I met them several times, and nice people. They just kind of chose to live a different way than we live. So this is the bathroom, and you can see we've taken the vanity out of here. The vanity was in the corner there. It was that angle vanity. Yeah, so we've stripped that right out. Again, this had the laminate floor in it, so we've picked up that laminate floor. We're down to the original linoleum here. So under the new floors, when we do renovations, if it's linoleum like this that's sound, I leave it. This will just get cleaned and washed, and then we'll put the new floor over. Here it's going to be getting a layer of plywood, and then eventually it'll get ceramic tile. So that's where the tub was. So the tub is gone. That tub surround is gone. It was just a plastic thing. So this eventually is going to get, we use Den Shield underneath our ceramic tile, so it'll be Den Shield. The new tub is going to be a deep fiberglass tub, soaker type tub. So there's the old plumbing. That will all be coming out of here eventually, and be replaced with all new stuff. There you can see that's what it looks like for the connections there for the tub. Down underneath, there's the main heat duct down there that distributes the heat throughout the home. And that piping you're seeing there is poly B. We'll talk about that in another video, but we're going to be getting rid of that stuff. It's not good stuff, so we'll show you how we deal with that. Okay, and then we're just into this room here. This is that bedroom at the front. So again, this is a 2-bedroom split plan. And what I'm working on here today is taking up this flooring. So the flooring that was here was a wall-to-wall carpet with underpad. And I pulled that up, and this is what I found underneath. So what it was is there was originally from the factory, this was a rubber back carpet, and there's the rubber backing there that is glued to the subfloor. here's the subfloor here, and so I'm scraping it with a scraper. I have a 4-inch scraper, just scraping it off to get it down to the subfloor. A lot of people will do like what was originally done here, where they just put the carpet over the old rubber, but that's not the way we like to do things. We like to get things down, you know, to clean, and that rubber stuff is kind of smelly. You know, it's 27 years old, so you know, it's we want to get rid of it. So here you can see where we've taken all these strips off, where the drywall panels meet. And again, that strip along the ceiling there where the wall meets the ceiling, that's been taken off. This is all getting prepared for the drywall repairs and eventual painting. So these walls have been painted over the original walls. So the original walls are this, it's a 3/8 drywall, gypsum drywall, and it has like a sort of like a vinyl coating on it, and so wherever the panels met, they had these strips, and this is what it looks like under the strips when you take the strips off. So we will be taping that and then filling it with joint compound, and same thing along the ceiling. We're going to scrape that texture off of there, and then that will get a corner tape and taped out. So all the way along here, it will be all finished out. And so it'll be just like in a house. So you can see here we've taken out all of the shelves are all gone. We will be putting in the custom shelves like we have done in the past. This closet door is gone. That you can see where it's kind of clean there. That was the top track. We'll be putting bifolds in here. So the windows here will be coming out as well. These windows are not in great shape. The seals have failed on many of them, so it's time for them to go. So you can see here where we've taken the jam liner out, and we're down to the rough lumber there, and you can also see sort of the edge of that panel there as well. So the new windows will be a vinyl window, very similar to these, but they will probably be a different depth. So we will be putting in new liners and then a new window casing on that. Just a little thing of interest here across the street there. We have that one over there that's with the black roof. We're kind of looking at it sort of from the back side here, but that's a single wide that we did about 3 years ago. We did that project, and so that started out as a single wide, and very rundown condition, very much like this one that we're doing now. And we put an addition on that one, and we may visit that project at a later date. If we run out of material here to show you folks, then we might go back to that one and sort of do a little feature on that one. That one is actually featured on our homepage on our channel art. So if you look at the header, you'll see that one up on our header as our channel art, and that kind of shows it from the front of it. So that's where we are today, folks. Yeah, this so this drywall here, this is really bad shape here. So you're wondering what the heck they're going to do with that. So what we'll do with that particular wall there, because of all that damage there, we will just put a couple sheets of new drywall right over top of that, and so that will all get covered. That's pretty. That's too much to try and patch there. I'll just give you a look at what we've taken out of here as well. So we're just piling everything up outside here temporarily, and then we'll come in and with the trailer and haul it away to the dump. So there's the old bathroom fixtures there, and the old rug from the living room, or sorry, the bedroom. And there's the old tub surround, and the old trim and doors and stuff that we've taken out of there. Okay, folks, well, thanks for watching, and again, if you like what we're doing here, give us a thumbs up and give us a share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and watch for our next video.